In this video, what to look for when replacing this battery and how to secure it with a step-by-step replacement, as well as what to expect after installation. But first, you'll need to open the bonnet, and because you can never find these latches, I'm showing you where they are. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal. If you're new to this sort of thing, just pause this video and tap the link on the screen for some general guidelines when changing any car battery. Then disconnect the positive terminal. Look for the nut closest to the battery post to remove the terminal together with the junction box. To loosen the hold-down bracket, you pretty much just have to loosen the front nut enough to unhook the J-bolt at the bottom. Now gather all your strength and see if you can lift the battery with one hand. As for the new one, you'll want to check two things. These terminals are smaller than the standard SAE size, and also check that you get the one without the base mounting. So in other words, make sure your new one is compatible with the Honda Jazz. Another helpful tip is to just pop the positive terminal on when installing the bracket. You'll thank me later. Once the battery is in place, it's quite tricky to find the J-bolt connection point, so here's a close-up of what you'll be looking for at the back. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Here's a little trick to maximize contact with the battery post. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. Lastly, connect the negative terminal and tighten it. There were no warning messages on startup. You'll just need to set the time. Press and hold the AM/FM button until a beep is heard. Then use button 4 for hours and 5 for minutes. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.